Question number 44 na pinadala sa atin ng followers natin, which is on PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtractions. Meron itong level of compositions. Later on, malalaman nyo. What is 8 times 4 minus 10 plus 20 divided by 5? A26, B28, C30, D24. So, kunin mo na lang natin yung part na MDANS since wala naman pong parenthesis and exponent. Based from the given, ang nauna ay multiplication. So, ito yung uunahin natin. 8 times 4 followed by 20 divided by 5. So, let's take a look. We evaluate using the order of operations, PEMDAS, but we're going to use MDAS. So, multiplication and division first. Since nauna itong 8 times 4, so definitely that's 32, followed by 20 divided by 5, that's 4. Then, do the process of addition and subtraction. So, sa part na to, ang meron tayo ay 32 minus 10, which is equal to 22. Then, yung remaining, which is 22 plus 4. So, we have the final answer na 26. Letter A tayo sa part na to. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.